Hey guys, it's me Chris on Lala Language, and in this session of action words, we're going to look at the action word celebrate. And the different forms would be celebrate, celebrated, celebrating, celebrates. We all like celebrations, so let's begin if you're ready. We celebrate. We are celebrating. We have celebrated. We have been celebrating. We celebrated. We were celebrating. We had celebrated. We had been celebrating. We will celebrate. We will be celebrating. We will have celebrated. We will have been celebrating. We would rather celebrate. We are supposed to celebrate. We are trying to celebrate. Can we celebrate? It's time to celebrate. Let's not celebrate. It's no use celebrating. What if we celebrate? Great, with that we've come to the end of the action word celebrate. I'll be back with more action words. Bye-bye.